Trying to explain everything is up to advance. Okay, be patient. Devanandam. Hmm? If any important concepts is there, I will complete that one. If you don't want up to that level, means let me know that one. We'll discuss only your NCERT a little bit more. And I am very clear about that one, which I am teaching up to top 10 rank. That's my intensity. Top 10 rank. That is wherever you go, either NEET or JEE. That's up to top 10. I am going to discuss. Try to cooperate with me. You'll get our benefits. Alright, today I need your small support. Let me know anything my voice is breaking or not clear like that. Huh? Because I changed my location. That is the reason. So let me know that one. I will change, even suppose this network is not good, I will change other network also. We'll try that is. Finally, if anyone is stable, then you can follow that one. Thank you, thank you. If anywhere fluctuations is there, let me know that one. Finally, you can fix one network, then you can see that one. I'm talking a little bit slow, that's why maybe you're getting low voice. But voice is buffering like that situations you can find out. Balamurgan, correct. I am Telugu only. Okay. But any disturbance we are getting, let me know, especially network issues. Huh? Then everyday class disturbing is not good. That is, even I didn't feel that good. That's fine. Shall we do one problem, or we can do directly some other concept? That is, iodometric titration is the remaining. Just iodometric titration is going to be, suppose that's completed. Then two more small concepts is there. We'll discuss those also. Then we'll try to close that one mostly. And be patient a little bit, which is all the concepts one by one we'll cover. This is the little bit important chapter for advanced, and we need to learn too many small concepts. By practice, we can get everything. So you should have some patience, sir. That's only, especially for the chapter. Whether we are doing everything correct only, you should be confident that one. You won't get any other coaching centers. Sir. You won't get like this anything clearly. If you want, you can check it. Any of your friends you join somewhere, you can ask them. So your chemistry about those people, what they can give reply. Okay. So n factor sum, you remembered or not? Someone they're asking, very good. Tamil, sorry for that one, but my son can speak very well Tamil. But I am slow learner. I was in Bombay 4 years, but I am not able to learn properly. So I'm a little bit weak to learn all these things. Someone they're asking, can you give n factor like that? You can try one small question because I'm searching a little bit small topic. Before that one, we can do n factor just. You can try just, you remembered or not, that's only. I'm not asking anything. Even if you are not able to give, doesn't matter, I will give that answer also. I try to take challenge every time. Once you learn that concept, try to take challenge. Yes, Anjay, correct only. Huh? So you're following. Very good, very good. We'll discuss that is. Now you can check it here. These are the compound. We need to find out n factor. So try 10 factor calculation. If you are not getting, I will discuss that is. Okay. Just check it. I'm finding one more titration for you. Today our target only one, that is iodometric titration. Anyone you given n factor change? I think so. You know that one. Cn always -1, sir. This is third time I'm giving. So this is carbon X, you can assume. Nitrogen -3, we know that one, equal to -1. So X equal to +2. Is it clear? So here carbon is +2. Here carbon is +4, sir. Difference how much? 2. But how many cyanide? Not 2 times into 2. 4 is the n factor. So what's your answer? 22. Ashwin. Yeah, fine. We'll check it. We'll see, sir. Is it correct or not? So this is 4. The nitrogen here -3. Already given here. Nitrogen is -3. I hope you can find out. Nitrogen is -3. Then here nitrogen how much, sir? +5. +5. So -3 to +5 means 8. But how many nitrogens here? 2. So 2 into 8 how much, sir? 16. What about, anyway, Hg how much here? What's the total value we are getting still now here? 4 plus 16, 20. Then Hg is +1, sir, here. Is it correct? Here +2. What's the difference here? 1. But how many Hgs? 2. So add total 16 plus 4 plus 2, sir. 22 is the n factor. Perfect. Who given answer? Check it. Those are answers is perfect. 22. How many people got? Check it, sir. Yes. Very good, sir. Very good. Good. Correct. I think so. Now we got perfectly. You know one thing. The same thing you ask any teachers also, which is normal teachers, they won't give these answers also, sir. But you become very soon very good. This is very short time. You got perfectly how to calculate n factors. Very good, sir. That is really. Yeah, I'm going to explain. You can see, sir. Here nitrogen -3. I'm using other color. You may can find out. Here nitrogen -3, sir. Action state nitrogen -3. Here nitrogen +5. You know NO3 minus is +5 nitrogen. So because this is X plus oxygen 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. So X equal to plus 5. So here plus 5. Difference how much, sir? Minus 3 to plus 5 means how many electrons you need to lose? Suppose nitrogen minus 3, you need to get 0 means you have to lose 3 electrons. That 0 will get. Again plus 5 means you have to lose 5 electrons. So total how much, sir? 8 electrons you should be lost. 8 for 1 nitrogen, but twice means how many nitrogens? 2 nitrogens. 8 into 2, 16 is the n factor here. Any doubt? Mostly they will use skeletal equation. Shanmugan, I hope you understood. I'm expecting 8, 16. How did you get? Even if they are not giving skeletal equation, they will give reactants and products. Based on that, you can write answers. Yes, 22 is the n factor. Final answer is 22. Correct. Okay, now we can see next. What's the next iteration you are assuming? Iodometric titration. Is it correct? I shared Pearson publication book with you that contain all type of titrations and level 1, level 2 questions. You need to solve those questions, sir. And again, you won't get time that much time to solve that one. Whatever I told last year, senior, same thing I am telling now also, you people. Please take care that one. Now only you can do maximum number of questions. Later you won't get time. Next titration, sir, right? Two types of titration, iodometry titrations. I'm writing first one, iodimetry. Iodimetry. But principle is one, sir. Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. Only one principle, that is everywhere we are using. I think you know that one. Still now all formulas I am using. Only one principle, that is Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. Here 3 line sentence is there. You can try it. This titration involves free iodine I2. Vidushan, you may can send. I didn't get your, maybe detail you can send that one. I will try my best. Please note down this. This is sentence is a 3-line sentence. It will take more than 5 minutes if I'm writing. Please note down that slowly. Such direct estimation. I'm writing, sir, right. Where please try to note down. After that, I'll explain, sir. Don't worry, every point I will explain. Please note down. I'm not talking anything. Just I'm writing only. My concentration to write. I'm keeping all the concentration. Please note down. This is the thing. I will explain you. Don't worry every point. After that, we are going to discuss problems also. By explaining numericals, you will get 100%. Alright, don't worry. Whatever they're asking, principle is one. Don't think about type of titration. Wherever, whatever they're given, simply use gn of 1 equal to gn of 2. How to calculate gn? That's you should be know that one. Doesn't matter here. You know n factor how to calculate. I given already. Alright, now we are discussing all these things just to formality purpose by keeping name. But already we discussed that in terms of law of gram equivalents, everything. Array Vikram, leave that one. Note down first. This is. I will show that one. Doesn't matter. Let them note down. Still, other people they didn't note down. You can see end of the time. I will show that one for you. End of the time. End of the class. Once completed, let me know that one. I'm writing still. I2 plus. Array, this is V liters, sir. V liters. I'm writing equation for this one. I'm writing equation. Sodium thiosulfate formula also I already wrote. You can check it. I2 plus. The name of this one is sodium thiosulfate, sir. Please note down. This is the name of this one, sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate, name of this one. You can write in bracket. A reaction which is participating here. 2Na2S2O3 gives rise 2NaI plus Na2S4O6. Now here we need to calculate n factors and we need to equivalents also. This is the equation. You can write whatever they given. Gram equivalent number of I2 equal to gram equivalent number of Na2S2O3. Now question mark is n factors are here. N factor. They will give everything information in terms of molarity. Generally they are giving in questions molarity, sir. You know that relationship between molarity and normality. Then we need to convert into molarity into normality. Iodometry for with respect to iodine only. With respect to iodine only. Okay. Now please look here. I already know that one. Gram equivalent number. What is the other formula? Normality into volume. Can I write? Of I2. Same. Normality into volume. I am using only two formulas. Na2S2O3. Next, weight by gram equivalent weight. Weight by gram equivalent weight. Now we can calculate n factor. I think so. Note down clearly. These three formulas I'm giving for every titration. Doesn't matter. They're not changing these formulas. So you don't think about. You don't need to think about. I think so. Which type of titration that is. Be little bit fast. Arey Abhishek, still now you didn't study anything. Now we are asking which chapter for test for Sunday. We are busy with your girlfriend. That's you're asking today. No, na? Oh, up to titrations. Now check it. Titration. I think you noted down these 3 lines, 4 lines. Then you can see n factor. I'm going to calculate, sir. Here n factor. I2 0 is the n factor. 0 is the oxidation number. This is -1. Clear? Any doubt here? Na plus I minus. So difference how much, sir? You may can take here 0 minus of -1. Modulus you can keep, sir. I think you know modulus meaning. But how many iodines? 2. So how much will get, sir, here? 2 is the n factor. Any doubt here? Please check it. 2 is your n factor. Any doubt in this case? Already Cl2 I given. Cl2, I2 all are similarly. Then can you calculate here sulfur oxidation number, average oxidation number? Na2S2O3. This is 2 into 1 plus sulfur is 2x plus 3 into -2, sir, equal to 0. Can you try it here? 2 plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Then x equal to how much you can expect? Sorry, x equal to plus 2. Got it? Very good. Next. Now what about here, sir? Sulfur. Can you find product also? S4. I think so. This is 2. This is 12. If you remove that one, 2 and 12, 10. 10 by 4. We'll get 2.5. This is 2.5. This is 2. What's the difference we are getting? 0.5. But how many sulfurs? You have to see only reactant, not product. Keep in mind, only reactant, sir. When you are moving left to right means you have to consider only reactants. Don't consider any product, anything here. Correct. So difference is 2 into 1. 2 into 0.5 means 1. Keep in mind n factors also. Given everything n factors. This is, I think so, here iodimetry completed. Next, under iodimetry only one more is there, iodometry titration. These are 2 types actually. Please note down. I will give 2 to 3 equations. Those space you make in left here, you can see that is. Maybe you can leave 2 to 3 equation space. No need too many. Then write here iodometry. Just leave space. If anything extra we find, equations I will give. Otherwise, just leave that space. You can see later that is. If I found anywhere extra reactions, I will give that one. Otherwise, just leave that one. You may can search that Pearson book. That's also provided all the equations about iodometry titrations. You may can check it once. Now next one, iodometry. Please write. Right. I'm dictating, sir. This is an indirect method. Please write. Please note down. This is an indirect method of please write everyone. Even you left previous thing doesn't matter. Just note down next siding and note down this is. Okay. Devadarshan will explain later. Please note down this is now. Everyone start iodometry. Start everyone. I am dictating. Start now. 3 lines definition. After 3 line definition only you have to ask whatever your doubt. After that note down. This is an indirect method of estimation of iodine. This is an indirect method of estimation of iodine. Next point. An oxidizing agent is an oxidizing agent is an oxidizing agent is made to react with made to react with made to react with excess of solid Ki, excess of solid Ki, excess of solid Ki. Continue. The oxidizing agent, the oxidizing agent oxidizes potassium iodide only. Ki means potassium iodide only. The oxidizing agent oxidizes I minus, right sir, I am writing here, I minus 2 I2, I minus 2 I2. This liberated iodine is this liberated iodine is this liberated iodine is then made MADE, then made to react with, then made to react with Na2S2O3, Na2S2O3 solution, Na2S2O3 solution of normality N, volume V, volume V liters. Just leave this space only, we can see later. If you find you can write, otherwise leave, that is practice purpose. That's in here. Now I am writing sir here. Oxidizing agent that you make and take anyone which is the oxidizing agent list of. Right, today also we make in SEDOX titrations. I mentioned that list of oxidizing agents. You may can see that one. Otherwise, you know already in textbook list of oxidizing agents. How to find out oxidizing agent also you know that one. You can take any oxidizing agent plus Ki solution. Whole sentence I am writing in the form of equation. Whole sentence. Just leave that gap. Huh? Maybe if I found any equation I will give. Otherwise, you can practice one more time that formula. That's one. If I found any equation, we'll discuss in future. Otherwise, you didn't find out. Otherwise, you've seen that book, which is Pearson publication. Already you have that book. That's very good book for IIT Advanced. If you find any equation, we can insert that related equation. Don't think about that gap paper. Huh? Think about which you are discussing right now. Right, sir. Oxidizing agent plus Ki. When they're reacting each other, you will get here I2. This I2 again they are treated with above equation Na2S2O3. Clear? Once they are reacting I2 plus Na2S2O3, We may get same product, sir. NaI plus Na2S4O6. So whatever they given, I can write here gram equivalent number of oxidizing agent equal to gram equivalent number of Ki also you can write, sir, no issue, that is Ki equal to gram equivalent number of I2 equal to gram equivalent number of Na2S2O3. So whatever they participate reactants, we can write all these things. But question is related to, most of the time question is going to be related to oxidizing agent and thiosulfate. They will give only information about thiosulfate and oxidizing agent. I can equal directly here. All are equal or not? All are equal. You can equal directly gram equivalent number of oxidizing agent equal to gram equivalent number of Na2S2O3. We can equal here anything, sir. Sodium iodide. They are reacting na I2 plus above equation only, nothing. I am giving this the equation only. I2 plus Na2S2O3 means same equation I am giving here. Same equation, same n factors. Same equation, same n factor. Here sulfur plus 2. Here sulfur 2.5. Difference how much? 0.5. Here 2 sulfurs into 2. That's why you are getting 1. Same equations. Array, from here onwards same. Above equation only I am repeating. This is only the new thing. It's the first part only new thing. This is common. Any doubt, please? Yeah. You can read the definition. You can find out now. Here we are estimating oxidizing agent. I think so. You can see above case what we are estimating. Here oxidizing mostly are estimating, sir. So you noted down up to this. Let me know that one. Remaining, you know that one. Weight by equivalent weight, N into V. That all the things you know that one. We can see 1 or 2 questions you can find out. Okay. You can check it 1 or 2 questions with respect to iodometry. Then we can do. Write one question here. Is it appear screen or not? I think previously by mistakenly I stopped that one. I share right now. Any disturbance? Compared to previous days, you can tell. Based on that, I'm going to decide that one. That's why. Thank you. Now we can see problem. Whatever they given theory, everywhere you have to remember only Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. Doesn't matter. Very simple, all these things you can see. Even you can do right now also. Right, sir. 5 ml of H2O2, 5 ml of H2O2 liberates 1.27 grams of iodine. From an acidified Ki solution. What is the molarity of H2O2? What is the molarity of H2O2? Array, iodine atomic weight is 127, sir. Iodine atomic weight is 127. Okay. Iodine atomic weight is 127 grams. Iodine atomic weight is 127 grams. You can write very simply whatever they are given, H2O2 and iodine they are given. You can equal directly gram equivalents. Or in place of oxidizing agent H2O2 they are given. That's enough. If you want, you can check it. In place of H2O2 oxidizing agent and iodine information they are given. Directly you can equal equivalents of oxidizing agent equal to equivalent of I2. That's enough. Thank you, thank you. Shall we proceed now? Same like this way. Means network is good means we can proceed. That's why. We can see how. First thing we have to know that this is. You can't use normal molarity formula here. Only equivalent number. First you have to find out normality. Then followed by you can convert. So N into V of H2O2 equal to, this is in terms of weight they given. What is the gram equivalent number? Array formula is same. Again I can write for you one more time. First write blindly whatever they given terminology here. Equivalents of 1 equal to equivalents of 2. You can write anything here. Blindly you can write, sir. H2O2 they given. I can write gram equivalent number of H2O2 equal to gram equivalent number of iodine. If they given Ki, you can write that also if you want. Gram equivalent number of Ki. But Ki information they didn't provide anything, so I don't want to use this one. They provided this to, this is enough for us to calculate. Anyone he provided answer? Question is molarity, sir. Are someone given answer molarity, na? Who is that person? 1 1. Very good, very good. Are got it answers. Very good, sir. So now you become very good than me, huh? Good, good. Very good, that is. Now check it here. Volume 5 into normality. I think so. You need to take here. This is grams. So we need to convert into liters. That's why I can take 1000. Wherever grams means we should be in liters only. Okay. Equal to, this is 1.27 by equivalent weight. Here in terms of weight means I have to take in terms of weight. Gn in terms of weight equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. Is it correct? I think so you understood. If you want, I can write one more step for you, sir. I can write one more step. Some people already who understood they given answers. Very good. Here normality and volume they given terms. That's why N into V I am taking. V liters means V by 1000, sir, because they are ml they given. This of H2O2 equal to weight by gram equivalent weight of I2. Now we can substitute here. N is I don't know. V is 5 by 1000 equal to W is 1.27 equivalent weight of I2. One iodine weight is 127, sir. Okay. 2 iodine. I2 means 2 iodine or not. So you can write 2 into 127 by n factor is 2. Already we calculated in this class only I2 n factor I calculated, sir. Here I2 n factor is 2. See top of the reaction I2 gives rise. I2 n factor how much? 2. So you can calculate this is 2 2. You can cancel. What is the n equal to you are getting finally? Can you try it? Who you are getting? Is it correct? I hope you know that one. Normality equal to molarity into n factor. Very well you know that one. H2O to n factor 2, sir. H2O to n factor is 2 because H2O plus half O2. You may can get here minus 1, 2. You can get here. Anyone you can take, so otherwise you can take 2 also, doesn't matter. Minus 1, 2, minus 2. This difference is 1, but 2 oxygens is there. That's why into 2. 2 is the n factor. Please note down. N factor is H2O is 2 here. And I don't want to use no information about Ki here. If they're given, you can use that is Ki. I don't want to use this is Ki information. That's why I cancel that one. I can use any one. All are equal only. Na? I can do whatever provided information I can use. I can get my answer. This is 2. Molarity into n factor is 2. Then m equal to 1, sir. This is your answer. So how many people you got? You can check it. But for me, explanation it took time, little bit time. But who done answers after my question only they given answers. That is the you are going to do in examination. Once you understood that much fast you can use, sir. Even you are going to be solved same that much fast only you are going to be do in examination. If you want, you can challenge same questions. You can do your with your friends also. Little bit difficult they feel that one. Shall we try one more question? Or you can try some previous JEE advanced questions is there, which is subjective questions. Those we can try it, sir. Subjective questions. You can try one more question here. I'll check it. Any doubt right now? Any question? Any doubt how to solve? Which is n factors or anything you have doubt? Whenever you're done by your own, at least 5 questions you can do. Your own at least. Choose maybe easy questions also, but you'll get confidence, sir. Once you done your own 5 questions, then next class you are the person going to give first answer. Like that, you will get confidence. Try to understand and try to solve at least your own few questions. This is iodine weight. One iodine is I2, sir. Equivalents of I2 is weight by gram equivalent weight. Iodine I2 weight is, you can write 127 plus 127, sir. How much this is? 4, 5, 254. Either if you don't like to write here, write 254 by 2 n factor. Okay. Then you'll get 27 by 2 also same thing, or 254 by 2 also same. Any doubt? I'm going to give one more question. Please try it. Take it challenge now, everyone. So only one concept. Already we know that one I given. What's in terms of equivalents? I hope already we given, sir. Gn equal to, even you can write number of moles into n factor also. Is it correct? Normality equal to, you can write molarity into n factor. Please note down all these points. You should be know that one. You should not ask any doubts, sir. I'm giving one more question. Right. Six mole of a solution A n plus. N plus means oxygen states in place of any number, that is any number, maybe 2, 3, anything that is. Okay. Requires 2 mole of 2 mole of Cr2O7 2 minus ions. Cr2O7 2 minus ions. For the oxidation of An plus 2AO3 minus in acidic medium, the value of N is, I assume that one this is integer type question, sir, integer type question. The value of N is, can you try it? Once you can try. N equal to, I wrote every question on screen only. I wrote every question on screen. I think so. Nothing is to the remaining. Complete question I wrote. KNMS 11th Gayatri. Superb. Alright, everyone you are getting then. Alright, Vince, you can check it again. Pranav, correct. Rubesh, correct. Anjay, good, good, good. Alright, good, sir, good. Very good. Alright, we are good, all are. Now we are understanding chemistry is good now, I think so. Alright, whatever they again, I given formula here, Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. That is what they given, sir. Gn of 1 is A. Can take A n plus equal to Gn of, what is the other one reacted with here? Cr2O7 2 minus, right? Cr2O7 2 minus. So number of moles they mention, keep number of moles, I think so you can write 6 into, what is the n factors are changes? This is plus 5 here, A is plus 5. This should be less than plus 5, sir, less than plus 5. Because here to here they are changing, because it's oxidizing agent. It can gain electrons means it should be lose electrons. I think so I can write here 5 minus n, sir, n factor this is. And now only we given a number of moles into n factor also Gn. Number of moles into n factor also Gn. Now I given, sir. Here 6 moles they given, n factor 5 minus n, because 5 is more value, n should be less value than 5. That's why. Here how many moles they given? 2 moles. 2 into n factor of K to Cr2O7 acidic medium already fixed, already I given, that is 6. Now n equal to how much you can write? Whatever you are getting n value, that's your answer. 3 is the n value. Integer type question, assume that one. Fine. Are you understood or not first after explanation at least? Who are not getting answers, you people understood or not after explanation at least? After explanation, please check it, you understood or not. I done very simple formula, n into n factor also Gn. So I think so you got it. Array n factor change in oxidation number only, na? Here A converted into AN plus converted into AO3 minus. I'm writing full equation. You can see Cr2O7 2 minus plus AN plus gives rise AO3 minus plus in acidic medium they mention very clearly. Acidic medium CrO3 minus always it converted into Cr3 plus 1. Here n factor I need to calculate. This is plus 6 plus 3. Difference is 3 into 2 because 2 chromium. 2 chromium. So 6 you know that one. Here n factor is change in oxidation number. Array sorry AO3 minus. AO3 minus this is because they mention sir. That's why I'm going to be take this is. Otherwise you can't create myself. AO3 minus. Here oxidation state I can calculate. A is X plus 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. X equal to 5. So 5 is the more oxidation state. This is less oxidation state. That's why I'm taking difference. 5 minus n. Any other please? N factor is 5 minus n sir for A. For A n factor is 5 minus n. Yes, you will get this type of sum. Maybe more same sum also I think so. Maybe same sum also they ask in examination. No, how that is more than 5 means that won't be oxidation, na? Because this is oxidizing agent. This should be loss of electron takes place. That's already they given maximum 5. So this should not be more than 5. Or there should be lose electron. There is no option. Then only will get this is. That's why after losing only I got 5. How this is more than 5 then? That's not possible. Because there should be lose electron. This maximum after losing only plus 5 they given. How can you expect more than 5 here? Array A means some unknown element. Anything that is. A is some unknown element. Any other please? I think so today somewhat better network. I hope. Shall we continue same thing? Means if you say this is okay means I will say I will sit in same place. That's why. Hurry compared to previous class, don't expect too much, everything is good. Somewhat better or not, that's you can see, then you can follow that is first. Okay, fine. So you can finalize here tomorrow next class onwards. Okay, good. Thank you. Next class onwards, you can sit here only, you can write. I hope everyone understood. I'm expecting iodometric titrations. For next class, whatever they given, please be ready to maybe Sunday or exam, maybe doesn't matter. Don't think about score only. Ashwin, please check it your class notes, how we are getting in fact everything they given, like this calculation. Otherwise, I think so. Some redox reactions also I mentioned. You can check Cr2O7 n factor. Otherwise, you can check it book which is I given also. We will get everywhere. Monday purpose, please be prepare all these formulas. Then you can do JE questions. If possible, at least 1 or 2 advanced questions you can solve that one. That's up to your interest, sir. If you are interested, you can do big questions. We'll try to do little bit. Okay. Very good. There is someone they are maintaining error book. Very good, sir. Try that is. Take it seriously. If your target is advanced means we can't lose single chance to anywhere. Take break remaining people. So class is over. If you want to get IIT advanced means take seriously errors also. Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. We can meet next class. If any doubt section they announce that one, we'll take tomorrow. Otherwise, directly Monday. Okay. Thank you very much. Try to maintain less negative marks. Don't attempt all questions. Attempt perfectly questions, get good marks. Fine. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Arey Tarun Kumar, already I made that one. I uploaded, but you didn't see that one. Not came guide. You can see Pearson book already approved. That's I think I sent that one. You may have that one. Arey guide, leave that one. Guide term, don't use that one. You can use only books. Fine. Thank you very much. అరే బాగానే ఉంది రేడా.
అయిపోయిందా క్లాసు?
గంట దీంతోనే వచ్చింది నాకు.
ఓకే,
అంటే మా ఇంటి దగ్గర రావట్లేదు బేసికల్గా. ఈ రోజు ఏం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి అది పెరుగుబడింది అది కానీ. సో చూస్తారు ఇప్పుడు నుంచి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఏం లేదు కదరా
ఎక్కడ?
నీకు
లేదు,
పొద్దునైనా కానీ
అదేముండదు. నేను లోపల కూర్చుంటాను.
నీకు పట్ల కూర్చొని చదువుతాను. ఇంకా ఇంకొక రోజు నాకు కానీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తే ఆడు వేరే టీచర్ని